No way, it's really occurring right now, and this could be your final opportunity to get Shiba Inu tokens at this discounted price. You can't afford to miss this video if you own any Shiba tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inus. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu coins, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart to see what the price of Shiba is doing on December 1st, before moving on to our subject. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 827 units, with $137 million in trade activity over the course of the previous day. The price of Shiba has increased by 1.7%. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $4.8 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. Shiba Inu updated their purchasing forecast while volatility remained at 60%. This is the next price resistance for Shiba. The price chart shows that while there was a modest decrease in prices to start the week, there is now a noticeable push towards recovery. Specifically, Shiba Inus have retested their degree of support levels, drawing in purchasers anxious to stockpile and raise its price. It's important to note that a number of on-chain indicators are now indicating a positive attitude, with traders choosing long positions at this time of increased price volatility. The volatility of SHIB remains around 60%. The Shiba Inu meme coins network, Shibarium, has been making notable progress that has affected the market demand for SHIB. Notably, there has been a rise in purchasing demand, even after SHIB's price dropped recently. The meme currency has seen a comeback thanks to this surge in purchases. Furthermore, there has been a noticeable improvement in Shibarium's transaction activity. In a stunning achievement, the number of transactions on Shibarium increased from 280 on December 1st to 43,690 on November 25. The most recent data from the Shibarium scan, however, indicates that this number has since dropped to 15,680. Shibarium has surpassed 4 million transactions, marking a noteworthy high. Shiba Inu's volatility has been stable even throughout a market drop, according to Into the Block, suggesting that trading interest was steady during this time. A positive resurgence might occur if volatility stays over 60%. Moreover, a declining ratio of market value to realized value suggests a situation that is advantageous for purchasers. Given that Shiba Inu's MVRV dropped from 1 to 0.429, it is more probable that holders would hang onto their assets. If all of the SHIBs were sold at the present price, a negative MVRV would indicate that the asset is undervalued and would result in losses. Conversely, a high MVRV ratio indicates that traders have historically tended to sell. How much will a SHIB cost next? On the 4-hour price chart, sellers try to push SHIB's price below its 200-day exponential moving average. However, purchasers intervened, as shown by the recovery. SHIB's price has been trying to break above the immediate resistance levels in the last few hours in an effort to restore previous momentum. Shiba Inu wants to boost sales by going above and beyond the initial FID channels. On the other hand, during a market peak, sellers are expected to establish short positions. If the upward trend line is broken, there will be an increasing sell-off, which might lead the meme currency to a bearish consolidation of around 750 units. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Shibarium is facing a critical metric moment of truth. Shiba Inu's two scaling solutions based on Ethereum days after achieving a noteworthy milestone in this area. Shibarium has had a very significant pushback in its transaction count. Shibarium increased from 29,280 on November 24 to 43,690 on November 24, according to a previous report by UDOT Today. As of this writing, however, the most recent data from the Shibarium scan indicates that this number has dropped to 15,608. The steep drop highlights the fact that Shibarium is still mostly driven by erratic emotion. The overall number of transactions on Shibarium had remained essentially flat and below the 21,000 threshold until the increase that began on November 19. The only time the number of Shibarium transactions jumped beyond 21,000 in the weeks before the November 19 increase was on October 31. Shibarium's introduction in August has been quite the trip, but the protocol has achieved several significant milestones in the process. Shibarium has surpassed the 4 million overall transaction mark. As of this writing, the statistic is still at 4,229,260. The protocol has created 1,846,624 blocks in total, which is a small amount compared to its counterparts, but shows how robust and stable it is. Is Shibarium succeeding in its goals? It's dangerous to assume that Shibarium is accomplishing its goal and a comprehensive examination is necessary. Shibarium is presently not up to speed with leading competitors as a Layer 2 network, such as Arbitrum, Polygon, and zkSync, among others. Nonetheless, its existence has signaled optimism for Shib and related initiatives, since it serves as a protocol, giving the Shiba Inu ecosystem a unique identity. Shibarium's decentralized applications are currently booming, and to match this, the core development team, headed by Satoshi Kusama, has promised more inventive solutions that can glam up the Shiba Inu protocol. However, keep an eye out for what else has been going on with the Shiba Inu coin and how this will impact the project's value both now and down the road. For the next bull run, Shiba Inu outlines 5 trends to keep an eye on. The Shib magazine's 4th issue was published by Shiba Inu. The Shib team has shared fresh details about the ecosystem and key patterns to watch in the next bull run in the magazine's 4th issue. The Shib team predicts that one of the trendiest themes in the next bull market will be blockchain-based gaming ventures. The group also emphasized that tokenization of real-world assets would be important. Tokenizing their assets, including shares and real estate, is already something that many banks are doing. Another increasing trend is SocialFi, which combines social media with DeFi. Trend that the team thinks will catch on. Additionally, artificial intelligence crypto solutions and Layer 2 scaling will be popular industries. The group also declared that CoinMerge, a well-known decentralized exchange, is supported. The platform intends to relocate all of its operations to Shib's Layer 2 network, Shibarium. Furthermore, a fresh giveaway of 7,000 NFTs was announced in the 4th issue of Shib magazine. In the last round, 5,000 NFTs were coined in only 5 hours, according to Shiba Inu. Lead developer for Shiba Inu's shares updated plans. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer for Shib, discussed the project's path to total decentralization. Kusama said that the team's goal is to introduce democratic government across the environment of Shiba Inus. These consist of Leash, Bone, Shib, and the next treat. The article states that in about 5 hours, all token holders will be freed, will be given equal say when making decisions. Kusama also encourages community people to take part in initiatives that pick leaders. The group will use measures, such self-sovereign identification, to get rid of bots and guarantee transparency. For the majority of 2023, the price of Shib has been unstable. The coin is now trading for less than it was on January 1, 2023. Furthermore, the daily chart has seen a 5.1% decline. However, supporters and investors of the Shib are optimistic that the asset will regain traction in the first part of 2024. It's time for the video's primary plot now. $59 trillion SHI market projections are prompted by a surge in the Shiba Inu burn rate. Burn rate of Shiba Inus is 500,000% higher. On November 27, the burn rate of a Shiba Inu increased by around 500,000%. Burning tokens contributes to a reduction in a cryptocurrency's total supply, which is why the higher Shiba Inu burn rate thrilled users, long-term bulls of the meme coin in particular. A dramatic increase in the destruction rate of Shiba Inus may pique investors' attention because of the deflationary mechanics of Shib. Consequently, a number of influencers have seized the chance to showcase meme coin and get attention for their articles, boasting that the Shib price may potentially hit 10 cents in the future. Meme coin crypto analyst Bats. In the meanwhile, cryptocurrency expert Kaleo predicted in a post dated November 20 that he anticipated the price of Shib to become positive shortly, telling his approximately 607,000 followers. According to Kaleo's study, investors might benefit by 74% if Shib experiences a spike. Additionally, the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF would boost the whole cryptocurrency market and raise the price of Shib. The makers of Shiba Inu also revealed 5 key cryptocurrency tendencies for the next bull run. The group predicted that when the next bull market starts, tokenization of real-world assets would be crucial. Tokenizing real-world assets, RWAs, means turning them into digital tokens based on blockchain technology. Crypto integration, GameFi, and SocialFi were other important areas. Because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and the actual worth of Shib, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your Shib holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the Shib Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.